charge of the studio with very specific instructions on what to do.
Oh, yeah? Well, what's it say?
It says, "Dear Misty, thank you for looking after things while I'm gone. Please don't forget to
What does it say?
My rain cloud made the ink run. I can't read the rest."
It's okay. Well, let's think.
Don't forget to wash the jet ski.
Well, this is the 1950s. I don't even know what that is.
Oh, Misty, I am here. You remembered to water my plant.
Water the plant!
Wow, look at how big it is. Misty, you are the best.
I am the best.